Wasn't really thinking, wasn't looking, wasn't searching for an answer in the moment.
Irashaimase minasan Kumamoto City here in Kyushu, Japan. My name is Prasa and I will be your tour guide as we explore the magnificent and historical wonders of the city. Kumamoto Castle, which is our main destination, is located in the center of the city. A 10-minute, 150 yen train ride from Kumamoto Station and 30 minutes bus ride from the station to the castle grounds. I am proud to welcome you all to Kumamoto Castle. I assure you that you will enjoy your tour here because Kumamoto Castle is one of the most impressive castles here in Japan. With large castle grounds and varieties of buildings, I am sure you will have the most complete castle experience here. The construction of the castle in the early 1600s took 7 years and was designed by the feudal lord Kato Kiyomasa who ruled the area. Upon entering the castle, we need to pay 250 yen for our entrance fee. I suggest that you only bring with you your valuables and leave the rest of your luggages in our bus. I can assure you that your things are safe. To begin with our tour, let's start with the Basashiya. Basashi is a raw horse meat popular during the Sen and Civil War with the samurais. They believe that eating basashi will give them extra strength upon going to battle. On your right is the Uto Turret. This is a new construction here in the castle. As you may have noticed, it is a huge pond with the whole collection of koi fishes inside. Koi means love and passion, and Japanese people keep koi because they believe that it brings luck and prosperity. Moving up ahead is the Husukawa Gyubeitei. This is the former residence of the Higo Daimyo. This wooden mansion has a fine Japanese garden surrounding its grounds. Next is the Omikujiya, or the fortune teller. You can get your fortunes here. Across the grounds is our famous sakura trees. We have about 800 sakura trees, and the castle becomes a popular cherry blossom spot usually in late March and early April. Sakura is Japan's unofficial national flower. It has been celebrated for centuries and holds a very prominent position in Japanese culture. We have about a dozen varieties of sakura trees in Japan, which only blooms for a couple of days. We are now part of the Hanami, or the Cherry Blossom Viewing Festival. At this point, we are now ready to go up the castle building. We have to climb up 562 steps in order to get there. I suggest that you bring with you water because we still have a long way to go. From up here, we now see the donjon, or the castle central keep. And as we go up, we will see the ibaraki, or the entertainment room. This is where the family spends their time watching presentations with the geishas. So this is the last and the only rooms that we are allowed to tour because the other rooms are restricted for public viewing. Before we go down, you can purchase your souvenirs at the nearby souvenir shop, and you may also purchase our famous rice wine, or the osake. Oide mo ichidoku desai. Sayonara.